Good morning folks, and welcome to a new video. It's Christmas Eve and I'm not very full of Christmas cheer at the moment. So last job before Christmas is to try and salvage this bath for a customer. It's leaking into the floor below, so fundamentally just going to give it a good clear off all the old silicone and give it a good clean up, and then install some PVC quadrant, fully 100% sealed with white grab adhesive, new screen and new bath panel, and head home for the Christmas sofa. So let's see how it unfolds. So this is what we've got to deal with. This customer had no joy sealing the bath, but he did win an artistic installation competition for Damien Hirst lookalike installation. It's looking pretty damn handsome. So I think I can improve upon that, so let's see how it goes. So with use of multi-solve and a decent chisel and a lot of elbow grease, we've got all that excessive silicone off, and now we've got a blank canvas, so we can start cutting the PVC quadrant and marking the extremes, and laying a bed of fix all down, and yep, getting it all secured. So now get the old screen off and get a new screen fitted with a new seal, and just bath panel to go. So that's the shower screen on, new profile, new bottom seal, and I'm just about to clear silicone on the outside and down at the bottom of the pivot point. So yeah, let's see how it evolves. So that's job complete. Totally refurbished this bath. New quadrant sealant, new shower screen and bath panel. So so it's as new for Santa to tomorrow morning. Have a great Christmas, see you next year. I'd like to thank everybody for watching my channel. It's been a great source of entertainment and joy for me, seeing it grow, and I want to thank you very much for your loyalty and hope you have a great Christmas and New Year. See you next year.